Another day, another story. Boosting sexual health. Unleash your strength and power. Introduction. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and important topic to discuss: how to boost sexual health and increase strength and power. Yes, you heard it right. We'll be diving into the realm of enhancing not only your physical well-being but also your intimate relationships. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Segment 1. Importance of sexual health. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why sexual health is so important. A healthy sex life is not only a natural part of human well-being but also has numerous benefits for both your body and mind. It can help reduce stress, improve mood, and even contribute to better cardiovascular health. So, by working on your sexual health, you're essentially investing in your overall well-being. Segment 2. Nutrition and exercise. Alright, now that we understand the significance, let's delve into some practical tips. First up, nutrition and exercise. A balanced diet rich in nutrients like zinc, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids can significantly impact your sexual health. Incorporate foods like nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and fruits. And don't forget to stay hydrated. When it comes to exercise, regular physical activity can boost blood circulation, energy levels, and even self-confidence. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular exercises like jogging, as well as strength training exercises like weightlifting. Exercise helps improve stamina and may even positively affect testosterone levels. Segment 3. Stress management and sleep. Now, let's discuss stress management and sleep. High levels of stress can take a toll on your sexual health. Engage in relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to help manage stress effectively. And remember, quality sleep is essential for hormonal balance and overall vitality. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Segment 4. Open communication. Communication is key, especially in relationships. Having open and honest conversations with your partner about your desires, needs, and concerns can greatly improve your sexual experience. Remember, it's a two-way street, so listen actively to your partner as well. Segment 5. Professional help and conclusion. Lastly, if you're facing persistent issues related to sexual health, consider seeking professional help. A healthcare provider or a sex therapist can offer guidance tailored to your individual needs. Don't hesitate to ask for help when needed. There's no shame in it. Alright, lovely viewers, that wraps up today's discussion on boosting sexual health, increasing strength, and unleashing your power. Remember, it's all about nurturing your well-being and creating a positive impact on your life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and take care. Host. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time. Thanks for watching.